What's up guys, Major here, and today welcome to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can run mobile websites, like in mobile website. Well, so I can run some websites in mobile form in Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. So what you're going to do first, you have to open Firefox, and when you open Firefox, you have to click on this tray, open menu. On the menu, then you go to Web Developer, and then click on it. And then you have to look for responsive design mode, or if you want to use shortcuts, you can use Ctrl+Shift+M to launch that. And when you launch this, you cannot choose the device you want. Choose the device, okay, you have to wait for it to load. Then you choose the device you want, okay. And you can set iPhone, iPad. You can see, you can just set. You can set to be S9, you can set XX or XX Max. You can just do that. I'm going to be doing Samsung Galaxy S9. So what you're going to do, like, if I open any website I open, to actually give me a mobile view of the website instead of giving me the desktop view of the website. This is actually good if you're on the budget, and let's say if you're on a budget and you don't want like your PC or desktop, you don't want your PC to be like draining too much data. You can use this to run your websites in mobile form. You can see this is a mobile version of Facebook of the website. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this to your friends. Yeah, thank you guys. So I'm really sorry if I've been away for some time now. Like it's been like I've been away for some time and I've not uploaded. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm Major out.